Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. What can I get you?
May I please have a drink?
No problem. Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea.
Okay, so do you like mint tea?
No, I do not like mint tea.
Do you like juice?
No, I do not like juice.
Do you like fizzy drinks?
Yes, I like fizzy drinks.
Do you like grape fizzy drinks?
Yes, I like great fizzy drinks.
Here you go.
Oh, that is good. Thank you.
That will be $2, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, hello.
Hi. Just give me a second, please.
Yes.
I didn't want to help. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I think I need some help counting money.
Ooh,
Oh boy.
it's going everywhere.
Oh.
Okay.
How much money do I have?
Okay, so now we are going to add 10 plus 5 equals
10 plus 5 equals 15.
and 15 plus 1 equals
Can I see the other side? 15 plus 1 equals 16.
yes.
$16. But what about that?
Oh yeah. This one is
It's worth how much?
it's worth 25.
That's a lot. 25 cents?
Yes. This one is worth 5.
5. Can I see the other side? Turn it around. Turn it around so I can see. It's upside down. Oh my God. What kind of bank is this anyway?
Okay.
Oh, that's better. Oh, it's a man. 5 cents. 5-cent man.
Yeah. So now this one is worth 10.
10 cents. Okay.
And this one is worth 1.
Oh, just 1.
Now let's add up your change. So 25 plus 5 equals
30 cents.
this one. 30 plus 10 equals
40 cents.
and 40 plus 1 equals
41 cents.
so you have $16.41.
Oh my God, I'm rich. I'm so rich. I'm gonna go out and buy a new sofa.
I think you will need a little bit more.
Oh my God. All right. Can you help me put this away? I can't help.
Yes.
Thank you. I'm still rich. I feel rich. Bye, everybody. I'm gonna go shopping.
Here's your money.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, bank lady.
Bye.
Hey kids! I hope that you enjoyed that video. I know that I did. And now it's time for us to read. Let's read. We are going to read the script together. Together, okay? So get ready, your paper in front of you, your ears ready, your eyes ready, and let's do this.
Let's do this.
Yeah, let's do this.
Hello, how are you? Hello, I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thank you. What can I get you? May I please have a drink? No problem. Do you like tea? Yes, I like tea. Okay, do you like mint tea? No, I do not like mint tea. Do you like juice? No, I do not like juice. Do you like fizzy drinks? Yes, I like fizzy drinks. Do you like grape fizzy drinks? Yes, I like grape fizzy drinks. Here you go. Oh, that is good. Thank you. That'll be $2, please. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Bye. Bye.